Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can take the input from the end user in our batch scripting. Okay, so let me start writing the code. So I'm just using echo off on the top, and then I'm just displaying message on the screen so user can enter some particular kind of data or input. So I'm just displaying message that enter your name. Okay, and after that I want to store that particular data or an input in a particular variable. Okay, so here I'm just using set, then /p, and then I'm declaring that variable. So here I'm just using name variable and I'm just giving equal to sign. Okay, I'm not writing anything after equal to, so it will give that me as a prompt. Why we are using /p? So on console, if you type set then /, then you will see here set -p, then define variable, and this is use equal to sign, and this is nothing but our prompt string. So user can enter that particular input and that input will store in name variable. Okay, so let me clear this. And once we have that input, then I need to display that. So I'm using echo command again, and I'm just saying your name is, and then I'm using that particular variable in %sign name. So let me save this, and if I run that file, then it's actually executing this line number 4, enter your name, and then it's actually waiting for end user to enter some kind of input. So this blinking prompt is nothing but our line number 5. Okay, so once you enter some kind of input over here, it will store that in name variable. So I'm just using my name Rahul, and then I'm using enter, and it's just displaying that your name is Rahul. Okay, so to give a prompt, you can use this /p and then use some kind of variable, and once user that enter that particular input, it will store that in variable, and then you can use that variable in your further scripting. And also let's take an example of some arithmetic operator of adding some number. So here in echo, what I can do is I'm just using a string called enter first number. Okay, and then I want to store that number in variable, so I'm just declaring a variable called number1. This is nothing but my first variable. In the next line, I'm just using echo enter second number, and then again I'm using set /p and then number2 equal to. So user will it will ask for user to sorry, this should be a set, not set. Okay, set. So in this case, it will ask user to enter second number, and once user enters second number, it will store into number2 variable, and then I want to display that using over here in echo. But before that, I need to do some arithmetic operations over there. So for that, I'm declaring one more variable using /a. Okay, and then I'm just using variable called result equal to, and then I want to do addition of that two numbers. I'm using number1 in this %, then plus sign, and then again in %number2. Okay, so here in this case on line number 10, what it will do, it will create this result variable, and we are using this arithmetic expression /a. So it will add this first number and this second number, and it will store that in result variable, and then we can call that result variable over here. So we are using echo, and I'm just writing addition, and then I want to display that. So in % I'm using result. Okay, so let me save this, and if I run that file again, then it will ask me the first number, I'm using 12. Then it will ask me for the second number, I'm using number 5, and if I press enter, it's just giving me the addition is 17. Okay, so this is how you can use a number and then perform some kind of arithmetic operation So just make sure that you should use this /a. So if you don't use that /a, okay, if you save that and if I run this again, I'm just using 10 and then 10 again, then it's actually displaying me that 10 plus 10. So it's actually displaying me this as a string. Okay, so if you want to do some kind of arithmetic operation, you are providing some numbers, then make sure that you should use /a parameter before this variable. So this is how you can use prompt. So if you want to display a prompt to the end user, use /p and then use your variable equal to, so it will display that prompt and user can enter any kind of input, and then you can store that input into this variable and you can process further.